Step 1. Open the package. Please open the package. Take away the foam and plastic bags. Put all accessories aside of dental unit. Turn on the power. Adjust a center height for chair via key buttons of control panel. Step 2. Install plate. First, use a hex wrench to take out the 3 pros on the bottom of wooden plate. Second, move the dental unit from the wooden plate and put the dental unit in the installation position. Measure the floor whether it's level or not. If the floor not level, it can be adjusted by adjusting the 4 screws on the metal plate. If you have ordered double armrest, you can install it at this time. Take off the screws, put the armrest into the hole and fix the screws. If you have not ordered double armrest, this step can be omitted. Step 3. Install the air and water tube. Find the reserve position of the air pipes, water pipes, and drain pipes. The gray color tube connect to the air pipes. The blue tube connect to the water pipes. The 3 bigger tube put into the drain pipes. Step 4. Install dental lamp. Open the lamp arm package. Put the power line through the column. The lamp power is connected by wide terminals. Please connect 2 terminals at both ends. Install the column on the dental unit column. Next, open the lamp package. Install the 2 handles on the lamp. Connect the 2 power terminals at both ends and fix the crow. The assistant tray installation. Put the assistant tray into the support and fix the 2 screws. The headrest installation. Insert the headrest into the hole of backrest. The next, put the suction types, syringes, and plastic covers to the positions. Step 5. Testing. Turn on the power. Test the dental unit moving. Check the dental lamp and the X-ray film whether working. Test the rushing water. Dental handpiece tube. Syringes whether working. Install endoscope. Optional. If you order endoscope, the installation steps as follows. The first step, put one side of holder into the column. Adjust it at the hold of the column and fix the screw. The second step, install the lamp arm on the dental unit. Make sure the monitor power wire through the column hole. The third step, put the middle part of holder on the end of bracket, then fix the screw. The fourth step, install the other side of holder on the back of monitor. The fifth step, put the other side of holder on the fixed end of bracket, then fix the screws at bottom of holder. The sixth step, connect to the handle of camera and turn on the power.